1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 15. Find the value of x plus y. Or LCM xy, that is y plus x by xy equal to 1 by 15. By cross multiplication we get 15 into x plus y equal to xy, or 15x plus 15y equal to xy, or 15x minus xy plus 15y equal to 0. Or if I take x from these two, we get 15 minus y. To get 15 minus y, we have to minus 2 to 5 plus 15y plus 2 to 5 equal to 0, or x equal to x into 15 minus y minus, if I take 15 is common, we get 15 minus y equal to minus 2 to 5. From these two we get 15 minus y is common. 15 minus y into x minus 15 equal to minus 2 to 5. If I take minus from this factor, then it tends to y minus 15 into x minus 15 equal to minus 2 to 5. We cancel minus from both sides, then we get x minus 15 into y minus 15 equal to 2 to 5. The factors of 2 to 5, if I write 2 to 5 as 1 into 2 to 5, we can write 2 to 5 also 2 to 5 into 1, also 15 into 15, and so on. First case, second case, third case. And 5 into 45, fourth case. In the first case, x minus 15 equal to 1 and y minus 50 equal to 2 to 5, that is x equal to 16 and y equal to 240. Second case, x minus 15 equal to 2 to 5 y minus 15 equal to 1, that is x equal to 240, y equal to 60. Third case, x minus 15 equal to 50 and y minus 15 equal to 50, that is x equal to 30 and y equal to 30. Fourth case, x minus 15 equal to 5 and y minus 15 equal to 45, x equal to 20 and y equal to 60. In the first two cases, in the first and second cases, we get the same result, x plus y equal to 16 plus 240 equal to 256. In the third case, x plus y equal to 30 plus 30 equal to 60. And in the fourth case, x plus y equal to 20 plus 60 equal to 80. If we take here 45 into 5, then we get the same result, 80. Then the required result is x plus y equal to 256, x plus y equal to 60 and x plus y equal to 80.